Hi guys, good morning. Today we will learn about delete operation in MongoDB. Delete operation, it is used to remove existing document in a collection. MongoDB provides two method to do this operation. One is delete one and another is delete many. So name is very clear to understand. The delete one we will use for delete one document in the collection. If we are going for other hand, delete many can used to delete multiple document from the collection at a single time. So let's understand the syntax how we can use these methods in our MongoDB. So first DB after our collection name, then after we will use this method name delete one or delete many. After we will use the filter which data we want to delete from the collection. Now we will do the experiment by using MongoDB shell. I will open the MongoDB shell to play around these methods. Now I am connecting to cult server, so it's connected. Now I will use my company database. Now it's switched. Just for verification, I will fetch the data from my employee collection. It has some document in my collection. I will perform the delete operation against this employee collection. I will delete this Rio employees data from my collection. So for that, I will use delete one method, employee dot delete one method name. Then after I will pass the filter which is name is Rio. Once I hit the enter button, then it will delete the records. We got that acknowledgement and the deleted count is 1. Now we will search the data. Rio data is not present in my collection. That means Rio's data is deleted from my collection. Now I am to delete the employee list. Those age is more than 30 years. So I have only 3 documents in my collection. Just I will verify the age. The King's age is 52 and Smith age is 32 and my last employee Sapna's age is 24. Right now I will delete the employee list. Those age is more than 30 years. Simply I will use delete many method to delete the record from this list. So employee collection name, then after delete many method will pass the condition age, then after I will pass greater than operator the age limit. So I will pass that 30. Simply I will close it, then after I will hit the enter button. So here now the two document is matched with this condition, so it is deleted those 2 documents from my collection. Let verify this db again the collection name, find method. Right now I have only one employee in my collection. Suppose if I not pass any argument or parameter into my method, so what will happen? Let's try this on our MongoDB shell, so we will understand what will happen. So here I have not passed any argument, so it is giving the exception Mongo's invalid input error and missing required argument at position 0. So that means it is expecting some argument in this method. So here I will pass one blank document into this delete one method. So I have entered this and it is deleted one record. That means the first record it is deleted if you pass the blank document into this method. Suppose here if I use the delete many method and I have passed some blank document or but empty document I have passed, so that time it will delete all these document in that collection. Just we will verify. Once I hit this find method from the employee collection, there is no records or there is no documents present in my collection, so it is not giving any result on my screen. We have covered all these operations, the create, read, update and delete operation. So if you miss any session on this flow, so please watch our previous video or I will share all these link in my description box. So please watch to understand clear concept on CROT operation in MongoDB. Thank you for watching this session and subscribe my YouTube channel Info Syntax. If you require any concept on MongoDB, so please comment on my video. So based on your comment, I will inspire and I will make the video as per your request. Thank you. Bye.